So if it's time to finally start looking for a brand new espresso maker, we may have the perfect companion for your kitchen, the Gaggia Classic on Caffè Italia TV. On this episode, we're going to be looking at how to use the Gaggia Classic espresso machine. Caffè Italia are authorized dealer of Gaggia equipment. So if you're looking for that perfect machine, don't forget to get yours from the link below. So why might we want to go for a machine as wonderful as the Gaggia Classic? Well, it really does pack a lot of punch for a machine that is fairly compact. One of its best features is the commercial grade steam wand on the side. Now this means that you do really get the perfect amount of pressure to be able to make espresso based drinks such as flat whites, cappuccinos or lattes. It's available in this incredible red colour, my favourite, the deep blue metallic, or the more traditional stainless steel. Now these do have stainless steel outer shells, which actually means that they're not going to tarnish or rust, so your machine looks as beautiful on the first day as well as it does several years down the line. So let's take a bit of a tour around our Gaggia Classic to find out a little bit more about it. Starting from the top, we have our heat tray. Now placing your cups on here does mean that they'll warm through to keep your drinks just that little bit warmer for longer. We then have the ability to fill our water tank from the very top. We can also fill our water tank by removing it from the underneath too. On the front we have an on-off switch, our espresso extraction switch and our steam switch. Now it is worth bearing in mind that this is a single boiler system, so you have to brew your coffee first, then steam your milk second. In order to get your steam, you flip the switch and you use the pressure release valve on the side to enable that steam to come through the system. To the front of the machine, we also have a 58mm portafilter. Now this is a commercial grade portafilter and commercial quality portafilter. To the side of the machine, we actually have a water release valve. Now the beauty of this is that once you've brewed your coffee, rather than excess water making the coffee puck soupy and sloppy, it will remove that water, bypass it through the machine and exit it into your drip tray. So this results in a very dry puck, meaning that it's easier and cleaner to remove that once you've made your coffee. So to get the very best from this beautiful machine, you also need the accessories to make it function properly. So included with every machine are a plastic coffee tamper, a coffee doser, and you also have 3 options for your portafilter basket. Now this is beautiful because it means that you don't have to have a coffee grinder to still pour perfect espresso shots. Today we're using the pressurized basket, which basically means that you can use pre-packaged ground coffee and still extract beautiful crema with your espresso. Should you have access to a coffee grinder at home, we also have a commercial grade single shot espresso basket and double shot espresso basket. This means that you can fine tune it to really get the very best out of it, depending on what you're using at home. So it's one thing taking a look at this machine, but it's a completely different one to actually see how easy it is to truly pour the very best coffee drinks. So let's make ourselves a coffee and see how we get on. And there's our coffee. Now this really is such a quiet machine, and it does make its use significantly better in a household because you don't feel like you're waking up the whole house just to make yourself a drink. But let's see what sort of coffee it makes. And it really is coffee to enjoy again and again and again. So If this looks and seems like it's the perfect companion for your kitchen, check out Caffè Italia and the link directly below this video to order yours now. From a UK authorised dealer of Gaggia equipment, you've been watching Caffè Italia TV. My name's Grant and I can't wait to see you all again very soon. Take care.